Let me show you how I go from editing to a beautiful client gallery with built-in print sales, automation and way less admin using just one platform called Pic-Time. Hey everyone, my name is Johannes and I am a photographer and videographer based in Copenhagen, and today we're going to talk about the platform Pic-Time. And I will walk you through how I am starting to use a smarter workflow using Pic-Time in my work. And I will do this based on an older portrait session that I did to show you how you can use Pic-Time to get a way more professional looking client delivery than what you can do with other kinds of platforms that are free, like Google Drive or perhaps WeTransfer, even though you can pay WeTransfer to get some more options. It's the first time for me integrating Pic-Time into my workflow, but I can already see how this is helping me streamline my process and giving me options to deliver a look that is more high-end and professional, which I am sure I will benefit when I do this for clients. So for the past years, I've been delivering my assets for clients through Google Drive or through WeTransfer, depending on the situation. So, and while they do the job, I still don't think that they look very professional, and it is not really a customer experience that I am satisfied with. There is no real presentation, no built-in print sales, and definitely no automation. So I was piecing things together this way, but I never really felt that it was a great client experience. And that's where Pic-Time is already changing the game for me. So there are different ways you can go about this when you use Pic-Time. I will just show you a couple, and then you can look into yourself to see what will work for you if you decide to try this out as well. And this also depends on what kind of photographer or videographer you are, I guess, and the way you like do this process. But in this case I will show you that after I've done my editing in the Lightroom, then I can pick my selection and I can upload this to Pic-Time. The upload is pretty fast, and in Pic-Time I can set up the gallery that I will show to the client. So I can customize the gallery by making sure how the front page of the gallery will look, how the project is named, and the layout style. The visual presentation of Pic-Time just makes everything look way more professional than what you would do if you were delivering this with the Google Drive or WeTransfer. So when you follow the process here in Pic-Time, you also get the option to add sections where you can put certain images in one section or another. And what I've done in this case here is that I have made two sections for two areas that we did the footage shoot, and that way it will be easier for the client to find the area or the photos that they're looking for. Pic-Time also offers AI search that you can enable. So if you are like a wedding photographer and you do a really large shoot, then your client can easily, by using AI search functions, find what they're looking for in a very big gallery. Another possibility by using this could also be if you do multiple edits, then you could upload different versions of the edits to your client to look at. But when you go through the process here, you will eventually get down to the part where you can send the client the gallery, then they will get a presentation of the gallery. As I said, there are different ways to handle this. You can also make a version where the client will have to select the photos that they want to keep, and then you can send them to them afterwards. But one thing that is really neat with Pic-Time is that you get print store integration. So when you send the photos to your client, they will have the option to buy prints of every photo that you have sent to them. And the print options doesn't stop with like a poster. There are several other kinds of prints that you can sell to them, like calendars or books. And the great thing here is that you don't have to do anything, because Print Store will connect you to printers everywhere around the world, and they will handle everything for you. So you just have to sit down and wait for your client to purchase a print, and then you can collect the money. Another great thing that you can enable is automation or marketing automation, and I think you have stumbled upon these things when you visit other online stores. These are notifications that you will get, for instance, if you put something in a basket and you don't buy anything, then you will get an email about, hey, you left something in your basket, don't you want to buy it? These kinds of things you can enable here at Pic-Time. You can also enable like discount codes that you can send out, like an early bird discount code, or print discount, so the client will find it more attractive to buy the prints. Or you can set a timer for the gallery to expire, and at the end you can set a discount to see if this will encourage your client to buy some prints. And the great thing about this is that it will keep your client engaged, and hopefully it will boost your sales. But it doesn't really end here, because Pic-Time also offers slideshows. And this is just another way that you can present your work to your client. You can add music and you can set a mood. I guess this is something that can be really great for a engagement or a wedding or something else where there was a certain mood. Then you can make this a slideshow and add music to help like your client feel the mood again and make them even more happy when they receive the images that you did for them. And it doesn't stop with photos, because Pic-Time is also available now to deliver video, so you can also deliver video to your clients as well. And this is also really great, I guess, if you like do hybrid shots. Then you can both deliver photos and video to your clients. And of course, if you are a videographer and deliver videos, then this is also just a great option to have. So if you stuck with me to this point, but you still think, well, I really don't do any sort of photography business, I don't have a photography service that I deliver to people, then Pic-Time might still be something for you, because you can use Pic-Time to sell your own prints. Like if you do nature photography or street photography or anything like that, then you can make your own print store and use the same services as I mentioned before to sell prints. And I have a really good story about this, because a couple of months ago, a American woman, she messaged me on Instagram to ask if I had a print store, and at that point I didn't have one anymore. So I couldn't really lead her anywhere, and I missed at least one sale of prints here because I didn't have anything to present. And yeah, you can set up print stores on Etsy or using a website and using Printify and stuff like this. I found these sites to be way harder to get into. So using Pic-Time is a way more easy and accessible way to open up a print store and hopefully get some sales on prints. And yeah, the look of the store is really professional, and this is also a plus, I think, if you want to come out selling professional art. So to summarize, Pic-Time isn't just about delivering photos or videos to your clients. It is about the way you portray yourself and your business, because it helps me look more professional, which will lead to a better experience for my clients, I am really sure about. So if you want to simplify your photo or video business, as I am doing right now, then you can try out Pic-Time by using the link down in the description, and this will help me out, and you will also get some perks by doing so. Anyway guys, it was a while since I made a video, but it is really nice to be back here with a solid one, and I think Pic-Time is a really nice platform to use if you have any sort of photography service that you would like to offer for your clients. And if you want to sell art, there's also a really good option to use the art galleries here at Pic-Time to start selling your art. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, make sure to leave a thumbs up and also consider subscribing if you haven't. It means a lot to me, and I would love to have you here in the fold of subscribers so we can learn from each other here on YouTube. All that's left to say for me right now is take care guys, and I will see you around. Boy.
I'm the biggest in the game, I'm the one they talk about. Everybody know my name, my resume is loud.